folks. Welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is quantum computing reality. What if I told you that reality is not something that happens to you? Reality is something you are computing into existence every single moment. What if your consciousness is the most powerful quantum computer in the universe, processing infinite possibilities and selecting which reality you experience? Right now, as you listen to these words, you are not observing a fixed reality, you are computing reality through the quantum processor of your awareness. But most people are running on default setting, getting random results instead of conscious creations. Today, we are going to hack the quantum computer of your consciousness and show you how to consciously compute the reality you desire. Are you ready to become the master programmer of existence itself? Then let's quantum leap into reality mastery. First of all, let us understand the foundation of reality as quantum information processing. Here is what quantum physics have revealed that changes everything about how you understand reality. At the fundamental level, there are no solid particles, only waves of probability that exist in superposition until consciousness observes them and collapses them into particles. This means that what you call reality is actually just one possible arrangement of quantum information that your consciousness has selected from infinite alternatives. You are not living in reality, you are computing the reality through your awareness. Think about this breakthrough. Your brain contains 86 billion neurons making over 100 trillion connections, creating more possible combinations than there are atoms in the known universe. Your consciousness is literally the most sophisticated quantum computer ever created, but here is where it gets extraordinary. Your consciousness don't just or does not just process existing information, it processes potential information. Every moment you're computing not just what is, but what could be, what might be, and what's becoming. What neuroscientists or when neuroscientists study advanced meditators and people in heightened state of awareness, they discover something remarkable. The brain begins operating in what we call hyperdimensional processing, computing multiple layers of reality simultaneously. In these elevated states, your quantum computer gains access to information that does not exist in ordinary three-dimensional thinking. You begin processing solutions, insights, and possibilities from what physicists call implicate order, the deeper level of reality where all possibilities exist. This is why breakthroughs and quantum leaps happen in moments of expanded consciousness. You are not just thinking differently, you are accessing different dimensions of reality, processing that contains solutions invisible to ordinary awareness. Your consciousness is constantly selecting which version of reality to experience from the infinite quantum field of possibilities. The question is, are you making these selections consciously or unconsciously? Most people are computing reality from past conditioning, creating the same limited experiences over and over again. But when you understand that you are the conscious programmer of your reality computer, everything changes. Now, let us understanding the basics of breaking free from default reality programming. Stop right there. How many of you are still running Reality 1.0, the same mental software that was installed when you were a child? How many of you are computing today's possibility with yesterday's limitation? Here is the brutal truth. 95% of your reality is being computed by unconscious programs that were installed before you were 7 years old. You were consciously, literally creating your adult reality with child level programming. Every limiting belief is like a virus in your reality computer that corrupts every new possibility you try to process. Every fear is a malware that crashes your quantum computing power. Every doubt is a bug that prevents your system from accessing higher dimensional solutions. But here is your reality debugging protocol. The moment you catch yourself thinking that's impossible, I cannot or I can't afford that, or people like me don't get opportunities like that, recognize those as corrupt programs or corrupted programs trying to run your software. Debug command 1. Catch the glitch. Become aware of When your reality computer is processing limitation instead of possibilities, the instant you notice scarcity thinking, pause and ask, what reality am I computing right now? Debug command 2. Interrupt the code. Change your physiology immediately. Stand up, move your body, breathe deeply. This breaks the neural pathways of the limiting programs and creates space for new reality processing to begin. Debug command 3. Install new programming. You cannot or you can't just delete negative programs. You must override them with expanded possibilities. Instead of I can't compute, how can I? Instead of it's impossible, process what would make this possible. Remember, your reality computer is always on, always computing, always creating experience. The only question is whether you're programming it consciously from your highest possibilities or letting it run on autopilot from past limitations. Most people wait for reality to change before they will believe in new possibilities. Just contemplate. But you must reprogram your reality computer first and then watch as your external experience reorganizes itself to match your new internal programming. Now, let us contemplate the consciousness reality interface. Now, I want to share with you the deepest understanding from both quantum science and ancient wisdom. There is no separation between consciousness and reality. What you call external reality is conscious appearing as a world. What you call internal consciousness is the world appearing as awareness. The ancient Vedic seers understood this truth thousands of years ago. Sarvam Kalavidam. Brahma. All this is indeed consciousness. What appears as the material world is actually crystallized awareness, and what appears as individual consciousness is universal awareness, individualized. When you truly comprehend this, you realize that you are not in reality. You are reality becoming aware of itself through your unique perspective. The consciousness that observes and the reality that's observed are same on one seamless field of aware intelligence. This is why consciousness can influence physical reality. You are not separate from what you are observing. You are the same fundamental awareness appearing as both the observer and the observed, the knower and the known, the dreamer and the dream. From this understanding, reality creation becomes effortless because you're not trying to manipulate something outside yourself. You are allowing the natural creativity of consciousness to express new patterns through your focused awareness. The key is recognizing that individual consciousness and cosmic consciousness are not two different things. They are one awareness appearing at different scales. Your personal reality computing is universal reality computing localized through your unique perspective. When you align your individual awareness with universal awareness, when your personal reality computing synchronizes with cosmic reality processing, you gain access to the infinite creative intelligence that governs all existence. This is the ultimate secret. You are not a separate being trying to influence reality. You are reality's capacities for self-awareness, temporarily focusing through the lens of individual experience. Now, let us contemplate quantum reality programming mastery. Here is where reality computing becomes truly quantum. Instead of processing one linear timeline, you learn to compute multiple possible realities simultaneously until the optimal experience collapses into your three-dimensional existence. Advanced reality programmers understand that the quantum field contains infinite version of every possible outcomes. Your consciousness does not create these possibilities. It selects which ones to experience through focus, attention and intention and elevated emotion. When you achieve coherence between your thoughts and feelings, when you are thinking greater thoughts than your current circumstances while feeling more expansive emotions, then your present conditions, you literally tune your quantum computer to higher dimensional reality frequencies. In this coherent state, you begin processing what I call implicate realities, fully formed potential experiences that exist in the quantum field waiting to be selected through conscious observation. The key is learning to think and feel from your desired reality before it appears in three-dimensional form. You must compute the emotions, thoughts, and energy of your intended experience until they become more familiar to you than your current circumstances. Just contemplate how much energy of inner work has to be done before to see in external circumstances. This creates what quantum physicists call precognitive resonance. Your consciousness begins resonating with future possibilities, drawing them into manifestation through quantum entanglement across time. But reality programming at this level requires what I call dimensional transcendence, the ability to process information from multiple levels of reality simultaneously while remaining grounded in practical three-dimensional application. Most people can only process one reality at a time, usually the one that matches their past conditioning. But quantum reality programmers learn to hold space to multiple potential outcomes while maintaining emotional coherence with their preferred experience. This is how you accelerate reality transformation. Instead of changing reality slowly through physical action alone, you upgrade reality rapidly through quantum consciousness, computing that reorganizes the field of possibilities itself. Now let us introspect advanced reality hacking techniques. All right, it's time to give you the exact reality hacking protocols that masters use to consciously compute their desired experiences. These are not theories. These are practical algorithms you can implement immediately. Protocol 1, the timeline selection matrix. Every morning, consciously select which reality timeline you're going to compute today. Don't just react to circumstances. Proactively choose which version of yourself and which version of reality you're going to experience. Protocol 2, the quantum state generator. Throughout your day, practice generating the thoughts and emotions of your desired reality independent of external evidence. Feel successful before success appears. Experience abundance before abundance manifests. This programs your reality computer for quantum breakthrough. Protocol 3, the dimensional bridge builder. When facing any challenge, immediately ask, in what reality is this already solved? Then step into the dimensional perspective and compute the solution from that expanded level of processing. Protocol 4, the reality coherence calibrator. 3 times daily, check your reality programming, track the consistency record. Are your thoughts, emotions, words, and actions all computing the same desired outcome? Incoherence creates same desired outcome. Incoherence creates reality glitches. Coherence creates quantum acceleration. Protocol 5, the possibility field activator. Before sleep, enter a meditative state and consciously connect with the quantum field of infinite possibilities where planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos exist. Just imagine for a few minutes, you go into the realm of that gamma waves, feel yourself as one with the creative intelligence that computes all realities. Program your desired outcome directly into the field for the highest good of one and all. But here is the master key. You must execute these protocols with complete conviction. Your reality computer responds to the intensity and consistency of the programming. Never look on the timeline. Okay. Never look on the time frame. Never set a time frame. Casually programming produces random results. So just assume that you have done the job with conviction. Most people practice reality techniques while maintaining their old identity, but if you want to compute new realities, you must embody your future self now. Feel like the person who already lives in your desired reality. Now, let us implement the living as quantum reality. As we integrate everything we have explored, I want you to understand the ultimate truth about reality. You are not in the universe is in you. You're not computing reality, you are reality computing itself through individualized awareness. Every moment, cosmic intelligence is expressing itself as your thoughts, emotions, circumstances, and experience. What you call your reality is actually universal reality appearing through your unique filter of consciousness. When you live from this understanding, reality creation becomes effortless because you're no longer trying to force outcomes from a position of separation. You're allowing the natural creativity of existence to express itself through your clarified intentions and elevated emotions. This is the deepest secret of reality mastery. There's no difference between the consciousness that desires and the consciousness that creates. They are the one seamless field of aware intelligence appearing as a dance between intention and manifestation. Your individual reality is like a unique song being played by consciousness to the instrument of your awareness. The more finely tuned your instrument, the more beautiful the music that emerges. From this recognition, you begin to realize that mastering reality is not about controlling external circumstances. It is about aligning your individual awareness with the infinite creativity that is your true nature. Every challenge becomes an opportunity for consciousness to know itself more fully. Every desire becomes cosmic intelligence seeking to express new possibilities. Every manifestation becomes a universe celebrating its unlimited creative capacity. Remember, you are not a person who occasionally experiences expanded consciousness. You are consciousness temporarily experiencing personhood. You are not someone who sometimes computes reality. You are reality's capacity for self computation. Your quantum computer is always online, always processing, always creating experiences. The only question is, what reality will you consciously compute into existence? Welcome to mastering the quantum computer of consciousness. Welcome to being the conscious creator of reality itself. Thank you so much for quantum computing reality with me today. Thank you so much to continue mastering your creative consciousness. And remember, you're not just experiencing reality, you are reality experiencing itself as your magnificent existence. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.